Hi everyone, I'm talking to you from the Athena market in the very heart of Kathmandu, Nepal. I will show you every site, the one which shape has been kept intact, the one which has been rebuilt, and the very few one which still need to be renovated.
Here we are at one of the part of this Hanumandhoka Durbar Square, which suffered the most in 2015 earthquake. We are here at the Buddha Nilakantha, one of the most important pilgrimage sites of the Hindu inside Kathmandu Valley, and despite the 2015 earthquake, it is intact. And now we are here at the temple of Pashupatinath, the temple of Lord Shiva. As you can see, this temple is intact and in good shape, and the rest of the other auxiliaries temple are also in good shape. Today we are here at the Swayambhunath Stupa, the monument of Buddha and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Despite of 2015 earthquake, few damages are here, but you can see the Pratapur and the Anandapur temples, they are already been rebuilt, except a monastery Karmaraja Mahavihar, it's on its way to get rebuilt.
Here we are in the Drupa Square of Bhaktapur. We can see here Vishnu Temple, who is intact in full form. We have here the Kedarnath Temple, who got destroyed, but in the process of being rebuilt. Then here we have the Shiva Temple, fully intact as well, close to the Shikara Temple, who got destroyed and in the process of being fully rebuilt. Then the last temple is the Krishna Temple, which is fully intact, and the main palace fully intact despite some few crackers. So we can see that there are indeed two temples which got destroyed, otherwise the whole place still has its charm.
So now we are in one of the most important courtyard of the Bhaktapur Durbar Square. This is known as Taumadi Durbar Square. As here you can see Nyata Pola. As you can see, 5-story, which means Nyata Pola. You can see the 3-story temple, which represents the Trinity, means past, present and future. This is dedicated to Lord Shiva's manifestation. These two temples are not damaged by the earthquake.
We are at the Hanumannarayan. You see the temple after the earthquake is still standing. Some retrofitting has been done, but the surrounding of the temple you can see got demolished by the earthquake. Now they are going to build the surrounding which was used by the priest of the temple.
So we are here within the Royal Palace of Patan. Some renovation works because of some cracks. But otherwise, this is more to strengthen the old building, because apart from this, the palace is in excellent shape.
Patan is full of temples from the 15th century, from the medieval period temples.
Which many got cracked during the earthquake.
Which many got cracked during the earthquake, but still there are the temples which are withstanding.
We are today in Bhutnath, in front of this large stupa, which thankfully remains mostly intact after the earthquake. Same for all the houses which surround Bhutnath. All these houses are more than 100 years old, and apart from very few damages, most of them are fully intact.